Welcome back to JoJo's farm. Thank you all our new subscribers and also our return subscribers. We thank you also our viewers. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do us a favor and hit the subscription button and notification button as well, so that when we share anything new, you will be able to get a notification, guys. It's been a little while. Yes, we've been busy here and there, and sometimes it is so difficult to get to these videos and put them together for you guys. But all the same, we have to make a way to be able to do these videos. It's very important. Now I'm giving you guys updates on the expansion of the pens or the farm. It hasn't been easy at all. The way prices of materials and stuff has been escalating here and there, and also the guy who is doing the project, the carpenter, he was sick. You know, the carpenter, he's the same guy who is doing the masonry job. He's very good at it. He became sick a little bit, and we have to suspend the work until he came back to continue. Like I said, this is the second phase, and as you can see, we have really increased. And apart from the increment of the pigs, we also have the old pens, partially destroyed, and we need to renovate it as well. So we wanted to actually finish the second phase so that we can go back and then do the renovation as soon as it is possible. But so far, so good. And the pigs are, the sows are giving birth as well. And we are even planning to pause for some time and then make sure that we do the expansion. One may ask, why are you guys still, doing these expansions while the sows are also giving birth? It's nature and it's money. So sometimes we try to, adjust it, but it doesn't work. Sometimes you even come and we have this boa that is so wild that he can jump the pen to another pen. So sometimes we try to restrain, but it doesn't work. That is why we're trying to do the expansion, so that we'll be able to move some of them out of this side to the other side. But apart from that, so far so good. Like I always say, if you want to start this pig farm, trust me, you can start with one, you can start with two, depending on your budget. Don't wait to get money before you start. If you get a backyard, if you can get a structure that is wooden, anything, don't just sit down and say, there is no work, I'm waiting for the government to create work. The government will not create no job, man. The government has nothing to provide for you. So you have to make room for yourself. Make provision for yourself. I get a lot of testimonies from people who have started small, and every small beginning has a great end. That is one thing that we have to understand. Anybody that starts small goes far, because there's a lot of hope for them. Even though feed is very expensive, but yes, still you can manage. That is why piggery can be done easily. Because when the pigs are hungry and there's no food, there are so many things that you can substitute for them. So many things. Weeds, cassava peels, just to substitute for a while, just for a short period of time. Because they are corn meal and wheat meal and rice, beans, all those stuffs. Soya bean, they have very good concentration. They are good for this. If you want to see a fast improvement in their weight size, these are the feed that you give them. The mixture of the concentrate, the maize, the soya bean, and even wheat, they help. But it is so expensive. It is so expensive. Right now, we're trying to get rid of some of them, so we decided to sell them. We've sold over 20 something, yeah, and we are still selling. Yeah, we are still selling. We have a lot of piglets that you can buy, and also we have a lot of how you call them, the gilts that we haven't crossed yet. We are selling as much as we can. The other day we had somebody who came all the way from, I don't remember exactly the name of the place, but I know it's a town, close to Brongahafu. They came to buy about 23, and I understand that they are chain suppliers, and they buy from different places and they go and resell them. So they came and bought some, about 23 or so. The other day somebody came to buy 13. So we have a lot, and we really want to sell. And this year, October will be our 3rd year of starting pigfarm. 3rd year. That is amazing. And we keep expanding. Now we are going to the second phase, and after the second phase, we are going to do our 3rd and last phase for the pig farming. We're doing a lot, and we're gonna do a lot. And guys, if you are doing this, please be prepared. If you wanna do it big, be prepared, because like I said earlier on, feed is very, very expensive. Feed is very expensive. And with pig farm, you can start with even 1 plot. So don't wait till you get money to buy 5 plots, acres, and stuff like that. No, it's not necessary. It's not worth it. Just go ahead and do what you can do. Don't do what others are doing. As for the piglets, almost every month or every 3 weeks, we get piglets, which is very, very exciting. The only problem, like I said, is the cost of feed. Cost of feed is very, very crazy. But what can you do? We are still managing, and that is the most important thing. Manage is very important. If you don't manage, you can't survive. If you are able to manage it, definitely you're gonna survive. Yes. So management is key. It's a big key to this. As you can see, a big step. The leftover for completion is just a little, and like I said, this time with the doors for the pen, we went with the wooden, and then we used the aluminum or the roofing sheet to seal the inner side of the wood so that the pigs will not get access to chew the wood. Yes, because these pigs, they can do a lot. They are very strong and they like to touch and chew stuff. I said if we have to do this pig farming in a different location, we're gonna do an open range pig. I know it might sound stupid, but it is possible. It is possible. Everything is possible, guys. So you can see, and also one challenging stuff in this farming is loyal people to work for you. Loyal people to work for you. It is very important. That is one thing that it is difficult to find in Ghana or Africa. When people are high to work, they want to make money overnight. They want to be rich overnight. But it doesn't work that way. The only solution to richness is hard work. If you don't work hard, it will be very difficult for you to make it. So guys, work hard and trust me, you will achieve. Thank you all, and watch out for our next video.